If you are a succulent lover and you enjoy decorating and arranging your plants in a unique and beautiful way, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm bringing you some creative and inspiring ideas to arrange your succulents in a stylish and eye-catching way. Whether you have a small collection or many different varieties, these ideas will help you display them in a way that reflects your personal taste and creativity. You can use different types of pots, trays, or even recycled containers to create stunning arrangements. Try mixing various shapes, sizes, and colors of succulents to give your setup a more vibrant and artistic look. You can also experiment with layering, placing taller plants at the back and smaller ones in the front to create depth and balance. Another great idea is to design themed arrangements like a mini garden, desert-style layout, or a modern indoor display. Adding decorative elements such as stones, pebbles, or driftwood can make your arrangement even more attractive. The best part is that there are no strict rules. You can arrange your succulents according to your own preference and creativity. Just have fun with it and let your imagination guide you. So, take inspiration from these ideas and create your own beautiful succulent arrangements that brighten up your space and bring a fresh, natural vibe into your home,